Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing sort of two projects, but one I will finish and the other one is just an idea. And I started off by cutting out all of the pieces from the Christmas bag topper and the gingerbread girl bag topper. And the pieces I'm using now is for the dress for the gingerbread girl, and I have the blue dress there and some bows and some flowers that also are included. I cut out a larger of the gingerbreads. I think she was so sweet, and this will actually not end up on a project today, but you will see how I create her. I think she's so adorable. You can see all the extra pieces there to the side. I'm trying to figure out which pieces I would like to use. I had those sort of frosting bits that I will put on the legs and the arms just to decorate her a little bit more. There is also a frosty bit for her forehead there, so I cut that out. I also attached the mouth and some wiggly eyes. I thought that was cute. Here I'm just planning on how to use this, maybe a bow on top. I decided to go quite simple, just a bow with the the blue center dot. Then I attached it to the backer piece. This could actually be a sort of a shaker if you like. And then I will attach these back to back. Here you can see I cut out all the pieces from the Christmas bag topper. I cut the reindeers out of some pink cardstock, and you can see the 3 different shades there. The sled will be in gold, and then I will also have my sled attached to the reindeers with a rope here, also in gold. There is 2 pieces to this bag topper. I attached them so that this will be on top, and then I will sort of just press it together with some liquid glue. You can see how it looks. Then I will combine this with a Simple Stories Feelin' Frosty collection. This is an older one. Sorry about the dust there. It was my sort of anti-static powder that I attached to the back of a sticker just to make it not sticky, and to just use a foam sticker on the back instead. I also used a sentiment from that sticker sheet, and then I will use some Swish Miss Chocolate here, and I have sort of this bag. I will also use all of the leftovers from the gingerbread bow, and you can see I had all of those pieces that were sort of cut out from a previous project. I just tucked them inside just to create my own confetti inside, and then I took some double-sided adhesive to both of the ends of this and just press this in touch. You can see how good that attached, and our little bag is done. Then I wanted to create sort of a pocket for this. I'm sorry, I will do that in a second. I just attached my 2 pieces for the gingerbread as well. I decided not to go with chocolate here. With that same Feelin' Frosty collection from Simple Stories, I just cut out this adorable coffee mug gift pouch from Scrap Diva, and I attached it, and I will decorate the front of this as well. I'm using some more stickers. I also have the chipboard pieces, so this is just a little sort of a snowman here, and warm hugs I thought was fitting for our little gift inside. You could attach the bottom to this. I didn't do it. I will sort of mail this or have it like this, but you can see how easy that is to just slide in and out, and how cute it stands on top of that little mug. And you could create a snowman face for this little mug if you like, but I decided to go with this instead today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and I will soon be back with some more inspiration from the latest Scrap Diva design release. Bye!